Hi, it's Ren at Maniology. Just checking in. I wanted to do something creative, so I stamped on a tangerine. Do you know that when you eat a fruit or a tangerine, it can be a form of mindfulness or meditation practice? I want to share with you about that, but first, I want to show you how I stamped on a tangerine. Oops, I actually wanted to peel the tangerine that I stamped on, but the stamping polish came off and it was all messy. I wasn't going to eat that one, so here I am peeling another new one. Mindfulness can be practiced anytime or even at all times naturally. As I admire this tangerine, I am giving it my full attention. Holding the tangerine in my hand, I can feel the gentle firmness of the fruit, the skin texture. Let me read a beautiful writing from the Zen master Thich Nhat Hanh. I hope you will enjoy it. I am peeling the tangerine mindfully, and I enjoy every second, every moment. And this is life. This is true life. I will take one section, I look at it, always mindfully, and notice that it is something wonderful, real, before I put it in my mouth. And I notice the savor, the taste, the juice that is coming out mindfully. So I savor every second, every moment of the time I take in order to enjoy the tangerine. And that is a spiritual experience also. So, when you have your breakfast in mindfulness and concentration, your breakfast not only nourishes you, your body, but it nourishes your mind, your spirit. And when you drink your tea, that is also a spiritual practice. Because from the time you pick up the tea and hold it in your hand to the time when you finish the tea, it is a meditation. It is a spiritual practice. And you are alive all the way through drinking your tea. And happiness and peace and joy and the kingdom of God is available during the whole time of your eating just a tangerine or your drinking your tea. You know, to be honest, like many of us, we live in a modern world. This sure feels little strange to do in the beginning, and I honestly don't do or forget to do it every time. But the benefits are immense as you incorporate this form of mindfulness as part of your daily habits. It helps you to appreciate what you have now. It nourishes your own self-awareness, helps you to be more grounded, and enhances your inner peace. So next time when you eat an orange, tangerine, Drink a coffee or tea. Give it a try. Let's practice by spending a moment to give your present activity full attention. Yes, 100% attention. It works wonder for me, and I'm sure it will work for you too. Give yourself the opportunity to feel the difference and growth. Have an amazing day.